Now, Amar Shahane wants to know which type of risk is attached with investing in banking and PSU debt funds. Are they safe from interest rate fluctuations?
Well, banking and PSU funds generally rank lower on the risk in comparison to many other debt categories. As the name suggests, they invest in bonds of banks and public sector companies, and the underlying portfolio quality is usually high in terms of credit ratings and the overall credit quality. Now, these funds also usually maintain a short to medium duration range for their portfolios of say 3, 4, or 5 years. So while they are not completely insulated from interest rate fluctuations, but the impact of changes in interest rates is much lower than say categories like a dynamic bond fund or other medium to longer duration categories. So I'd say that the impact of interest rate fluctuations is relatively lower. The other thing is a lot of these funds are also managed on a roll down strategy. Now, roll down strategy is one where a fund manager builds a portfolio with a certain defined average maturity and then holds on to it and lets the average maturity come down gradually as time passes by. For instance, a fund manager can build a portfolio with an average maturity of about 4 years and then let that maturity roll down with time. So after 1 year, the average maturity of the portfolio would come down to 3 years and then 2 years and so on. Now, in this kind of a strategy, if an investor opts to remain invested in the fund during this entire roll down duration, let's say in our example, if the investor continues to remain invested for the entire duration of 4 years, then the impact of interest rate fluctuations on his overall returns would be even minimal. So from that perspective, I'd say that the impact of interest rate fluctuations is fairly minimal, but he has to take note of the fact that given that these funds rank relatively low on risk, one also needs to have his return expectations in a fairly moderate range.